Hello guys, in today's video we are gonna check out the best pressure washer for cars in 2020. Made this list on my personal opinion and I try to list them based on that price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about these washers you could out the description below. At number 5, Stanley 2150 St. Helena Pounds Car Pressure Washer. The Stanley 2150 St. Helena Pounds is an affordable and powerful pressure washer for cars that is a lightweight unit considering its power output. The brand state that the 2150 psi of water pressure is up to 43 times the pressure of a regular garden hose. Included with the pressure washer is a wand 25-foot-long hose, 28-ounce detergent tank, variable turbo nozzle, and extension lance. Other features of the Stanley 2150 St. Helena Pounds include 2. 1,500 psi of water pressure 35 feet long power cord 1.4 GPM water output foam cannon included variable spray nozzle brass garden hose adapter lightweight at just 26 lbs includes a 2-year warranty. Stanley also offers its SHP series of pressure washers in less powerful units for those on a tight budget. However, the 2150 St. Helena Pounds is the best model that provides powerful water pressure and is built to high standards that the Stanley brand is known for. At number 4, Greenworks GPW1501 Pressure Washer. The Greenworks CPW1501 is one of the cheapest pressure washers available that is ideal for car detailing. It has premium features such as a 25 and 40 degree quick connect nozzles that enable you to change your approach for each job. Included are detergent bottles that can be placed under the trigger handle, which has the effect of spraying detergent solution at low pressure. Other features of the Greenworks CPW1501 include 1,500 psi of water pressure 17.5 lbs in gross weight 1-year warranty 35 feet power cord 13 amp universal motor. The Greenworks CPW1501 car pressure washer offers excellent value for money compared to the other alternatives. It's the best cheap car pressure washer, which has been designed for car detailing and includes a range of accessories. At number 3, R Blue Clean AR383 Pressure Washer. The R Blue Clean is another popular option that is targeting those requiring an affordable car pressure washer. Compared against many of the alternatives, it has the best power-to-weight ratio as it weighs just 27 lbs. Included with the pressure washer are 2 different wands that allow you to alter the spray pattern to best suit your requirements. Other features of the R Blue Clean 383 include 1,900 psi of water pressure 27 lbs in gross weight 1-year warranty 30 feet power cord 14.5 amp 1800 watt motor CSA approved. The R Blue Clean AR383 is a reasonably priced car pressure washer that is powerful and lightweight. For peace of mind, the brand includes a 1-year warranty and claims that they provide best-in-class customer service, which is based in the USA. At number 2, Karcher K5 Premium Electric Pressure Washer. Karcher is probably one of the first brands that you think of in terms of pressure washers. They have marketed their pressure washers to be the best money can buy with a reputation for performance and build quality. The Karcher brand is the go-to pressure washer in the UK as opposed to the USA where the Sun Joe is by far more popular choice. Features of the Karcher K5 Premium include 2,000 psi of water pressure 32 lbs in weight 2 years limited warranty 14.5 amp 1800 watt motor. Water-cooled motor includes 2 wands and pressurized hose reel onboard detergent tank. Karcher state that the water-cooled feature aims to reduce the temperature of the induction motor, which helps assist the lifespan. They claim that their water-cooled motor will last up to 5 times longer than most of the competitors. The K5 Premium is the best car pressure washer the brand offers with the specification outweighing the competition. It comes with a premium price tag but the build quality and range of accessories available make it a worthwhile investment. At number 1, Sun Joe SPX3000 Car Pressure Washer. The Sun Joe SPX3000 is the most popular car pressure washer in the USA. This is primarily due to the range of features and excellent value for money that it provides. The Sun Joe also comes with an impressive 2-year warranty and is CSA approved. To increase the lifespan of the pump, it uses a total stop system trigger. This acts as a safety lock that automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged. Compared to similarly priced alternatives, small features like this make it a worthwhile investment. Other features of the Sun Joe SPX3000 include 31 lbs in weight dual detergent tanks, 2030 psi, 14.5 amp 1800 watt motor, 35 foot power cord, 34-inch extension wand, 20 foot high pressure hose. Sun Joe offers a range of other car pressure washers, but the SPX3000 is the best option as it combines performance with value for money. It's the best car pressure washer that won't disappoint and comes with a 2-year warranty for peace of mind.